Hello and welcome to Nerd Bytes. Today I'd like to talk about a new feature that we've launched for the activity stream in New Relic 1. So if you take a look at my screen here, you can see that I'm in the Entity Explorer in New Relic 1, and I'm looking at the summary page for one of my services. And over on the right here, I've got the activity stream. So this is where I can see all the events that are happening for my application, including alerts. And now what we've added to this stream is anomalies that are detected by our anomaly detection feature are now showing up in the activity stream here as well. Another new feature that we've launched is the ability to filter what you're seeing in the activity stream here. So for example, if I just wanted to see critical alert violations, I can simply uncheck the other options here, and now I only see critical alert violations that happened during this time period. As well as that, the activity stream is controlled by the time picker that you have selected up here. So let's say I want to go and take a look at the last 24 hours for my application, and now I only want to see critical alert violations during that time period. I can do that here. And as well as that, if I only want to see events that are currently in progress, I can simply hit this toggle here. And as you can see, there's no events currently in progress for my application. So thank you very much for watching this episode. And as always, you can find more links to documentation in the video description.